Hey everyone, welcome back. If you run an e-commerce brand and want to create high quality ads without any technical skills, so then this video is perfect for you. So today I'll show you how to create a complete ad for Rolex using GrowTake AI, which will be step by step and in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Before anything, you need to create your account on GrowTake, and it's super simple. Just sign up with your email and password and your account is ready. And now we connect our ad platform to GrowTech. So just go to the brand section and you will see all platform available like Meta, Google, TikTok, Snapchat, everything. Just hit connect and allow permission and your profile is connected and done. Next, profile info. So here you have to paste your website URL. I paste the Rolex website URL. Just hit the get data from website and GrowTake instantly analyze the site and autofills everything for you. And you can still edit anything manually if you want. So here is the market informations like where you are choose your campaign goal and sales awareness traffic whatever like grow my followings and yeah. So I already choose two options. Next we go to the brand voice section. So a default tone is already there, but you can switch to any tone from your suggestions right here. Here the product and service section. Here you can add your product manually and let AI create it. This option and or extract everything directly from a website like there. This option. Okay. So as you can see already product are created. Our steps are done here. So now the advertise part, which is main. Let's open the advertise tab. So for example, I am choosing Meta, but the steps are almost the same for every platform. Okay, so here is the three quick steps like set your goal. I set my goal like traffic on my website. So next select product. Second option is your product will already appear here. So if you want to choose another one, you can add it manually. We will select the Rolex watches. So last one, this is where your complete ad get created. So you have to add assets. Here is the option like library. I already upload some asset of Rolex. Second is website. You just hit the search button and you got all images from your website and the Photoshop also. So here you can upload a few photos and type a small prompt and click generated and GrowTech create amazing ad creative for you. Right now I am using this. So here we will choose the asset. So sometime your type function is not match. So what you can do, just edit and go to square and as required px is 400 so 400 and like adjust the image and save. We choose this and this asset which we will edit now. So done. So now just hit on generate and GrowTech create amazing ad creative for use. It's loading just a few seconds. So GrowTech usually gives super polished premium results. So as you can see, the GrowTech creates your full ad or creatives, amazing creatives right here. So here is a primary text headline and you can edit it if you want and or keep it as it's. So here is the targeting. So GrowTech already generate AI based targeting for your products. So you can also switch to manual targeting, but we will be use the AI one for now. So now just here is the budget section also. So now just hit the launch campaign and your Rolex ad goes live. So that's how simple and fast the entire process is. So that's how you can create the complete ad using GrowTake AI in just few minutes. So if you want to run optimized ad without any stress, GrowTake will definitely help you get better results. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.